Hey there, welcome back. This is Liz. Welcome back to Liz's Trails and Travels. And where is Liz now? Well, about 3 days or so we got back from Cozumel and we were not ready to sit around the house. So we decided to take our camper out. And this is Magee RV State Park. No, it's not State Park. This is RV Park. And it is for camping, for right next to the beach in Port Aransas. So let's take a look. I am going to show you this building. It is just recently been finished being built. Port Aransas was hit with a hurricane, and wow, everything was pretty much destroyed. Took years for this to come back, and it's finally back. It looks great. I'll show you around a little bit what I think about this place. It's amazing. However, the RV site's excellent for parking, any size, full hookups. The only thing is you've got concrete pavement, no tables, no fire rings. So bring your own that table and chairs and so forth. But it's really a nice place. And I paid $50 for a full hookup here per night. This is amazing. We're heading for the showers. I thought the showers will be on the first floor, but on the first floor, there's just an elevator. It's gonna take us to the second floor. It's excellent for the handicap. It's very nice. All right, let's get up. Let's get in here and go upstairs. There's the second and third floor. We're gonna go check both of them out. No one's here, so I'm gonna take advantage of filming. This is the ladies' shower and restroom. There's power outlets, bring your own dryer. And this looks so clean, brand new. Hot water, the shower heads look great. They're not rusted out, no mildew, no nothing. Oh, this is amazing. I'm very, very pleased. And it looks like there is 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 showers. And a handicap one. Laundry room, machines, dryers. I don't know what the cost is, but it's got, looks like $1.75 for the large washers and $1.50 for the dryers. And we have family toilet area, and there's outside sitting. The lobby has a television. This is such a nice place. Let's go outside. We're still on the second floor. This side here is sunrise. You get to see the sunrise at 7 o'clock right through there. We're facing east. Port Aransas, the island of life, or the island life. One more floor. An enclosed lobby for the third floor. View of the park. There's our flagstaff right there. The back side facing west. And we have a little ceiling in case you want to hang out by the beach area and still be covered from rain or from the sun. Today's a nice cloudy day. It's about 87 degrees. Here in April, it's about right. Hello. Right on the other side of the building, you have a changing area. You have showers to get the sand off of you real quick. And the other side, we have little tables with bench. You are allowed to drive on the beach in Texas, and especially this area is very common. You have a pier out there. I'm gonna go check that out. Horace Caldwell Pier. It's from the Nueces County Coastal Park. This is where you can come and fish. This pier is private, or somebody owns it, because you got to pay for everything. You have to pay for stepping on it. You have to pay per pole. This park is right outside downtown Port Aransas. It is amazing. Everything is right here. We don't have to drive very far. And we've been coming here in Port Aransas now for like 7 years. We love it here. It's our favorite beach. So we're gonna go get ourselves some wine and relax.